In this video, you will learn how to activate your eSIM on your iPhone. If there is no other SIM installed prior, unlock your iPhone device, open your camera application, scan your eSIM QR code, click on the mobile plan pop-up. Your Settings app will be automatically opened. Click Allow on the pop-up message. Your eSIM is now ready to activate. Click Continue. Click on Done. Make sure your data roaming option is turned on. We can now enter our browser app to test our connection. Perfect. Enjoy your new eSIM and thank you for choosing GLOBALCELL. For more how-to videos, check out our playlist.